I have HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro, and let me show you how to use here secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer and let's use the first secret code. So let me open the project menu. All you need to do is use this code *## 2846579 #*#*. As you can see, project menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. For example, you can choose here the background settings, and here you can make it background debug open. You can change USB port settings, or you may also go back to see the vanilla information. Here you can check the version info, such as the bootloader version, CPU version, AP version. You can also check out the manufacturer info, or you can go back to choose the network information query. Here you've got two important things. You can check out the SIM-log status. In my case, SIM-log is deactive, or you can choose vendor country info. So that's it. Tap close, let's go back. You can also try to upgrade your device by using your memory card. You can choose restore factory to perform the hard reset, or you can choose battery charge to see, for example, the battery temperature. Use back key twice, and it's time to open the about phone menu. So let's use *#* 0000 #*#. The about phone just pops up. Here you can read the build number, the IMEI number, and other stuff. You can also open here the calendar info by using *#* 225 #*#, and calendar info pops up in front of you. Alright, let's go back. It's time to open the IMEI mode. Let's use the *#06#, and here you can read, for example, IMEI number or serial number. So that's it to close this menu tab, okay? And basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.